Hi everyone. If you're trying to update Windows 11 and are having troubles updating and are having errors, then watch this video till the end because I'll be showing you how to fix that problem. So the first step is to write command prompt on your search bar and make sure you run this at MSN administrator and you write sfc/scan now. So once it's done, you can close your command prompt, and then if this doesn't fixes your issue, then you're gonna go write services on your search bar, click services, and you're gonna wanna find Windows Update here. Right click it, go to properties, and make sure the startup type is set to manual. And after that, you're gonna open your file explorer, go to C, go to Windows, and you're gonna go to software distribution and make sure that you delete all of these files. You're gonna press delete, and then you're gonna delete all of these files. Then after deleting all of the folders, you're gonna go back to the Windows Update service. You're gonna click on properties. You're gonna make sure that the startup type is set to automatic, and then you're gonna start this. All right, if that doesn't fixes your issue, then you're gonna go write troubleshoot on your search bar, click on troubleshoot settings, and then go to other troubleshooters, go to Windows Update, press run, and then you're gonna go to I can download, install, or install an update like this. Then you want to run the Windows Update Automated Diagnosis tool by pressing yes. Now, if that doesn't work for you as well, then the last step is to write update on your search bar. Then you're going to go to advanced options. Then you're going to go to good recovery. And then you can press fix problems using Windows Update. So you can press reinstall now. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope this video helped you. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you with the next one.